Yeah, hello guys. We are here and we are just talking about our futures with chai.
With, and we call it chai with charcha.
Yeah,
So
so
we are
we are in
discussing.
same branch from last 4 years. Obviously, we can't change. And we both preparing for gate. But we are thinking that in our college placements are going on and we are attending the CRT for placement. So what your take on that? We are doing right or wrong in that?
I think we are doing right as it improves our skills like communication skills and our aptitude skills, enhancing of our skills in this way. So we can say that it is a betterment for us to improve our communication skills, because it's a very important thing for a man to grow in his professional career. If a person is not able to express itself, then his technical skills were also of no any use. So we have it is a better opportunity and it is best for us to improve our skills through this CIP training.
And also, I think in GATE we also get aptitude and reasoning. We are studying that in CRT. It helps us a lot in for GATE. But I think for placement we have to learn about coding. That is not our part and not in our branch. And
Yeah.
we are just thinking we should go for that or not. So
Yeah.
what do you think? We should go for that or not?
Yeah, we should go for that as it increases our skills as well as it enhances our resume.
Okay, but we have only 7 months for GATE.
Yeah,
Don't have time.
but
Even
we have
don't
to manage. But we have to manage our time. If we just give 1 hour to coding, then it will be enough for us to prepare basic coding knowledge.
Yeah,
for
I
us
agree with that.
To clear a good company, to crack a good company. So it will also increase our resume and also increase our skills. So it is a best choice for
I
us.
think we should talk about the TCS first, because the first company we are facing is TCS on 18th or 19th July.
Yeah.
So we should complete the DSA in which date is today? I think
Today is
third,
third,
July,
third,
2nd of July. So we have approx 17 or 18 days to
so
cover
we
DSA.
have to make a master plan regarding it. So if we have to clear a company, so then just we have to focus on ourselves.
Let's keep it there. We are making it. Yeah.
So if you have to increase your chances, so we have to make a
So
strategic
be
plan.
confident in anyone.
No, I just
Anyone
feel
can.
awkward.
No,
What
we are
others will
practicing
thinking
that.
of us. So it's making me a bit confident.
Bro, again stop because somebody is coming. Please don't disturb. We have to stop.
No problem.
This is the podcast, like. Yeah.
It is a podcast, like, so we have to make a master
And
plan of it.
I want to tell you one thing. We are making this video because we are not confident in speaking English. We want us to improve our communication skill in public area.
Yeah,
That's more
we have to
important.
improve our public skills. We have to improve our skills in public, that we will feel awkward in speaking in public. So we have to make a master plan for 17 days. We have to prepare for our aptitude and DSA as well as for our technical interviews and HR interviews. If we clear our basic technical round, basic our exam round, then we will able to crack the company. So we have to develop our time. We have to manage our time.
I
with
think
PSU.
the main part is to manage time management. We have to do for next 19 days for TCA. I think we should do DSA for 1-2 hours. There are different types of problem. I think 6 or 7 types of problem. You do even 4 types of problem. If like
Daily. We have to solve at least
2 hours for DSA only. I don't think we should do give more time for DSA, and it's enough for that, because our always priority is GATE and we should not leave it behind. Yeah. So
I agree with you.
we'll do DSA with GATE. This is our final task.
Thank you so much.
Bye.